ultimate sin. It was the ultimate sin. It was the ultimate sin. It was the ultimate sin. Then, and I'm warning you now. If you mess with me, you're playing with fire. Winds change that are fanning the flames will carry you to your funeral pyre. It's pouring you down. It's no final descent. It's too late to repent when it's the ultimate sin. 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 Thank you. Woo.